brave do in the winter? They brave it. They stand tall. They set the example. It's what we call men of standards, men that can brave anything. A lot of women out there today looking for a good man, a strong man, a durable man, a man well built, a man that can stand the storms of life, a man that can provide, can build. And so you know when the storm comes and the wind comes, who stands? Armstrong. 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 Armstrong.
You tripping.
Yeah, baby. Armstrong. Hey, look, if a man's a wimp, if he can't handle the elements, call Armstrong. Call Armstrong. Armstrong will do your heavy lifting. Armstrong will remove your snow. Armstrong will clear the area. Who do you call? Armstrong. Yeah, baby. Can't keep me down. No, look at me. I'm cool in the snow. Cool in the winter. Oh, yes, there's something out here. But hey, what's my name? Armstrong. Say it. Armstrong. Say it. Armstrong. Man. You trip. You got me live. Armstrong. Armstrong. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, you got me bad. This will be the vlog for tomorrow. Oh, yeah, you all saw me yesterday, and I was kind of low, getting used to the elements. But you know, I'm a different man today in the elements, because I'm rebuilt. I'm strong. There's someone called Armstrong? Armstrong! Here I am! Armstrong! Woo! When the elements are raging, the wind is blowing, who do you call? Not Ghostbusters, no. Armstrong! Come on, come on. We got people behind us. Yes, Armstrong. He even wears a tie of the green earth. Armstrong. Woo. Yeah, baby. You like that? If you need your snow removed, can't dig your car out, can't get out your driveway, call Armstrong. Whoa. We got it, buddy. We got it, baby. We got it. Strong man. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, pass. Let that guy pass. Come on, pass. You all right? Call Armstrong.
All right.
Armstrong, say it loud. Armstrong. 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 Oh, you gotta have fun in life, baby. I gotta get people to say it. Armstrong. Oh, yeah. I'm looking to rescue people. Anybody in trouble, I'm looking to rescue them. I'm looking, searching, listening. Do you see anybody that needs me? Is there anybody? Anybody needs help? Call Armstrong. Find them. I've cleared the way. Rescuing people. Oh boy.